How to reply to an email in Gmail? That's exactly what we're doing right now. I'm on Gmail and Chrome with the inbox open. If you're not signed in yet, type mail.google.com into the browser, sign in, and you'll land on this same inbox. The first real action is to open the email you want to answer. I'm clicking the subject line of the message from Priya. Don't click the sender name or the little checkbox because those won't open the conversation. Gmail now expands the whole thread on screen. I'm going to scroll to the actual message I need to answer. At the bottom of that message text is the reply arrow icon. It's a left-pointing arrow. That's not the back arrow at the top left. The back arrow takes you out of the message. The reply arrow is inside the message below the body. In a conversation with several emails, each message has its own reply arrow at the bottom, so you have to hit the one attached to the message you're actually answering. I'll click it. The compose box opens below the message. The cursor is blinking in the text field, and the original message is quoted near the bottom of the box. The reply box also has a small formatting toolbar at the bottom, bold, italic, underline, and the paperclip for attachments. For a short reply, I skip all of that. Now, before I type anything, check the icon next to the reply arrow. The single arrow is reply. The double arrow is reply all. I see people hit that by mistake when a thread has 5 recipients, and then everyone gets a one-line answer. I only use reply all when every person on the thread genuinely needs my response. Today I'm using the single reply arrow. I'm typing the actual response into the blank text field. I'll write a real one. Hi Priya, yes, Tuesday at 10 works for me. I'll bring the updated deck. The text goes above the quoted original, so the person reading it sees my answer before their own message. I always leave it that way. You can type below the quote, but that forces the other person to hunt for your answer. The to field is already filled, and if I wanted to add another person to this reply, I'd click CC underneath it. I don't need to, so I'm leaving it alone. Now the send button. It's the blue button in the bottom left of the reply box. One thing before I click, Gmail doesn't ask, "Are you sure?" You click send and the message is out. There's also a keyboard shortcut for sending, Control and Enter. I'll click the button instead so you can see exactly where it is. I already read the reply once. Now I'll click send. A black bar shows up at the bottom left and says message sent. The email thread closes and Gmail puts me back at the inbox. The bar also has an undo button on the right, but it disappears after a few seconds. I'm leaving this reply sent. If you ever hit send too quickly, that undo button is the one chance to pull the whole reply back into the compose box. Gmail does not keep an undo option in the sent folder. Once that bar is gone, the message is out. The next thing you'll want is the sent folder, because that's where you confirm who actually received the reply. If sent isn't in your left sidebar, click more at the bottom, then click sent. I already have it pinned, so I just click it. The reply is at the top with the same subject line and the time you sent it. I'll click into it. The to field at the top shows Priya's address. If I had accidentally hit reply all, every other recipient would be listed in the to or CC line, so this is where I'd catch the mistake. One more variation, if you need to send that same email to someone else instead of replying to the sender, you're looking for forward. It's the right pointing arrow next to the reply arrow. I'm going to hover over it now so you can see exactly where it sits. I don't forward a thread with private notes in it because the entire conversation goes along. But for a basic forward, that right pointing arrow is the fast route. If this got your reply sent, hit like, subscribe for more Gmail how-tos, and leave a comment saying this was helpful because comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.